Alrighty guys, welcome to another video, the Icom ID-4100A Mars mod. Starting out here, we are tinning the soldering iron tip. I'm using a Finersi, blah blah blah. I'll put it in the description. Really nice iron, zooming in quick here, getting straight down to business. Looks like we are pointing out the location of the two resistors here on the main board. And there they are, and I'm going ahead and heating the bottom resistor and just kind of popping it up on one side there. And there we go. And let's do this one. And there we go. Solder looks like it's heating up quite well, but it's just not one to pop up. There we go. Be really careful on the amount of heat you're using here as well. And just fixing those little pads up there. You can see the nice shiny solder spots. Putting our screws back in. And all the screws are exactly the same, so the orientation and order doesn't really matter. This is 800% speed. I really wish it was about a 1600% speed. But anyway, there we go. So we're through it. Alright, plugging everything back in. The head unit, the little antenna there I'm using. And we've got it on GMRS 462575. And this is all low power, underground. This is not going out over the air. No worries there. Alright, looks like we are receiving on the other little Quanxing UV K5 or K6. I can't remember which one that is. Yeah, just testing again. Looks like it is working. And going in and resetting the radio, although this is not required. It's just something that I'm used to doing on the Yaesu radios, doing a factory reset after Mars mod. So there we go. Now I'm loading in the repeater list from the SD card here. That way the buyer of this radio will have the repeater list preloaded and won't have to mess with that. Alright guys, I'm going to throw a quick link down to n1rip.com for a few more high-res photos and a little bit more information here on this modification. Thanks for watching, and 73.